Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make the healthiest protein blueberry scones. These wholesome scones are packed with fresh flavor. The sweet blueberries paired with the fresh lemon zest create the perfect combination. Made with Greek yogurt, they are high in protein and they are naturally sweetened with maple syrup. They are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or an afternoon snack. These are the ingredients you will need. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Line a large baking tray with parchment paper. In a large bowl, add 3/4 cup, 180 grams of plain 4% Greek yogurt. 1/3 cup, 80 grams of unsalted butter, melted at room temperature. 1/3 cup, 80 milliliters of maple syrup. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of almond milk, and 1 large egg at room temperature. Whisk until smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, add 3 cups or 375 grams of all-purpose flour. To this, add the zest of 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon, 12 grams of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon, 1 gram of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon, 3 grams of salt. Whisk to combine, then add to your stand mixer bowl. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix with the dough hook until a soft, sticky dough forms. Scrape down the sides of the bowl when needed. Once the dough wraps around the hook, scrape the dough off the hook and spread it out. Throw in 1 cup, 130 grams of frozen blueberries with 1/2 cup, 63 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix until well combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl when needed. Stop mixing once the flour is fully incorporated. Spread a generous amount of flour on your work surface, then transfer the dough. Sprinkle more flour on the dough. Shape into a 10-inch or 25 centimeter wide circle, 1 inch, 3 centimeters thick. Dust a little more flour on the dough. This will make the dough less sticky and easier to cut. Divide the dough into 8 wedges, then place them on the lined tray. Brush the surface with 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of maple syrup. This will add a little extra sweetness. Bake for 30 minutes or until golden on the second to last oven rack. These bakery-style scones are lightly crisp on the outside and moist and tender on the inside. They are simple to make, nourishing, and full of homemade flavor. They pair beautifully with coffee or tea. I hope you enjoy them. They can be stored in an airtight container or a sealed plastic bag at room temperature for 1 day up to 2 days max. They can be refrigerated for up to 5 days and frozen for up to 3 months. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes. I'll see you next time.